Full day routine for 10 to 15-year-olds. Hello beauties! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on a full day routine for 10 to 15-year-olds. Really hope this helps you. Let's get into the video. Morning routine. Wake up 6:30 a.m. 7 o'clock a.m. Get out of bed and make your bed. Open the curtains or blinds to let natural light in. 2. Personal hygiene 7:00 a.m. 7:20 a.m. Brush your teeth. Wash your face. Take a shower if needed. Get dressed for the day. 3. Breakfast 7:20 a.m. 7:40 a.m. Eat a healthy breakfast. Drink a glass of water or juice. 4. School preparation 7:40 a.m. 8 o'clock a.m. Pack your school bag with necessary books, notebooks, and supplies. Double check any homework or assignments due. Ensure you have your lunch and snacks packed. School day 5. Travel to school 8:00 a.m. 8:30 a.m. Walk, bike, or get a ride to school. 6. School hours 8:30 a.m. 3 o'clock p.m. Attend classes and participate actively. Take notes and ask questions if needed. Eat lunch during the lunch break and socialize with friends. After school 7. After school activities 3:00 p.m. 5 o'clock p.m. Engage in extracurricular activities such as sports, music lessons, or clubs. Spend time with friends or participate in hobbies you enjoy. 8. Homework and study time 5:00 p.m. 6:30 p.m. Start on homework and review the day's lessons. Break tasks into manageable chunks and take short breaks between subjects. Evening routine 9. Dinner 6:30 p.m. 7 o'clock p.m. Eat a balanced dinner with family. Discuss the day's events and share experiences. 10. Free time or relaxation 7:00 p.m. 8 o'clock p.m. Relax with a book, watch TV, play a game, or spend time on a hobby. Limit screen time to avoid overstimulation before bed. 11. Personal hygiene 8:00 p.m. 8:15 p.m. Brush your teeth. Wash your face and hands. Change into comfortable pajamas. Bedtime routine 12. Wind down 8:15 p.m. 8:30 p.m. Prepare your school bag for the next day. Lay out clothes for the next day. 13. Lights out 8:30 p.m. 9 o'clock p.m. Turn off all screens and lights. Go to bed and aim for 8-10 hours of sleep. I really hope this helped you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and see you on my next video.